This is a factory made wig that was sent in by a client. Let me show you how I was able to transform this wig from looking like this to looking like this. Now, I also have a super detailed beginner friendly video on what I think about factory made wigs coming right after this video. So you might want to save this video, like, interact with this post so that the algorithm can recommend the next post. Okay, so first of all, now, this is a factory made fringe wig, and to be honest, this is the lightest wig I've ever come across. So, the client asked us to add an extra bundle to make this wig a little bit full for her. Now, in the beginning, I was wondering, like, with this kind of stitches, okay, this is how the factory made stitches look like. And this is how the regular, custom wig looks like, zigzag for custom wigs and straight stitches for factory made wigs. After adding the extra bundle, which is 100 grams, this is how the wig turned out. So this is just me combing it out to see what we are working with. Now I'm going to show you the interior. Now I use a straight stitch. I didn't double the width and I got about 9 tracks. Now this is the most important part. Now after finishing the wig, I decided to weigh the wig. Okay, so this is me just weighing the wig, and it weighed about 230 grams, meaning that if you hadn't added the 100 grams, the original weight of the wig was 130 grams, which is equal to 1 1/4 bundle. So the wigs that are coming in, that you guys are buying from vendors, they are not even up to 200 grams. Some are not even up to 150 grams, like 130 grams with a closure. So to me, I don't know, it depends on your budget and what you're going for. But for factory made wigs, that is the 130 gram, I don't know.